What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and I want to take you through a tour of this amazing Airbnb, the Dancing Pines, right here in Blue Ridge, Georgia. Let's start off with an exterior shot here at the beginning as we're coming in. This thing is ridiculously beautiful. Right here off the driveway is the entrance doors. Step with me inside this beautiful home and let me show you around. Right off of the front porch, you step into this living room, and you can't even understand the magnitude of this room through the lens of this camera, but check this out, guys. I can't even zoom out any further. The entrance to this thing is so huge. Right here is just a ridiculously beautiful kitchen. Right to the left is your sitting area. Right off of the dining area, you're gonna step into bedroom number 1, which has this luxurious king bed. Look at this place right off of the back porch. Off of the master bedroom, you step into the first master bath. Look how beautifully designed this place is. These people keep this thing perfect. Off of this same master bedroom is where you exit to porch number 1 on the main level. Let me step back here and let you get a glimpse of this whole porch. Right now we have the furniture covers on all the furniture, but check this out, guys. We have a TV out here, we have a couch, we have a sitting area here. They've got a linear fireplace right over here, and right here you can just catch this whole view of the mountains. As I'm exiting the main level bedroom, coming back into the dining area, there's also another exit to a porch that has an eating table and a nice grill. This one's covered as well, and you can walk right around the house and go to the same first level porch that I just showed you. As we enter back into the house, headed towards the kitchen, you're gonna notice a staircase here on your left. Before you go up that staircase to the master bedroom number 2, I'll show you this half bath right here. Beautifully decorated, just like the other bath I showed you. Okay, now let's take a trip up the stairs in this main room into bedroom number 2, which is another king suite with a king bed. Before we enter this bedroom, there's a little sitting and reading area outside of the balcony that overlooks into the great room. Okay, as we enter this bedroom, you're gonna notice the high ceilings, big windows to let all the light in. We've got a workspace over here to the left, and as I just told you, there's an awesome luxury king bed in this one as well. Also, as you're laying here in the bed, you've got a 65-inch TV on the wall. You've got a full closet to put all of your goods in, and there's another beautiful bathroom with a stand-up shower off of this bedroom as well. As we exit the upstairs master bedroom, you can see a full view of the magnitude of this living and kitchen area. Let's head back down these stairs onto the main level, and then I'm going to take y'all downstairs and show y'all how massive of an area that we haven't even seen yet. Okay, so again, right off of this dining area is the stairs that go down into the lower level. As we go down into the lower level, you're going to have these beautiful polished concrete floors make this place look just amazing. And before I take you into this area over here, I want to show you another living area. To the right of the downstairs, you're going to first notice some yoga mats and weights, a game area, and another workspace. As we turn the corner, you're going to enter into the third master bedroom. This one again has a nice luxurious king bed. There is no bathroom in this one, but there is one in the outside hall. You have a closet over here, and then you have a large 55-inch TV. As we come out of this downstairs king bedroom, you're going to enter back into this living space, and right here to the right is your downstairs shared bathroom. This bathroom has a tub shower and is just as decorated as everything upstairs. To the left of the downstairs bathroom, you're going to find a kids area with a bunk bed. It has a full bed on the bottom, a twin on the top. And they did not even hold any stops out. This room is decorated just like the rest of the house. As we come back out of this kids' room area, we're going to enter back into this living space right here. And we're going to go back around and I'm going to show you the hangout area in the downstairs. As we come back around the corner, this door right here is the stairs going back up to the main level. And here is the cool part of this whole house. You've got a sitting area, pool table. We've got a bar area here with a TV. We've got another table here that you can hang out and drink and eat at. This place down here is just ridiculously amazing. Look at this right here. We have an arcade over here for the kids. Come with me outside and let me show some of these outside areas. We've got 2 swing chairs. We've got an axe throw for the kids. We've got 2 sets of games right here. And over here on this lower deck area, we have got a barrel sauna. Check out this barrel sauna. I am excited to try this out this evening. As we exit this barrel sauna area and walk back towards the house, you're going to notice that we have a whole set of stairs that go down towards this beautiful fire pit area. Let's take a stroll right down here and let me give you a close-up of what this looks like. So provided the weather's good with no rain, we can come right down here, put a wood burning fire pit to use and sit in these chairs during the evening times. Let me give you an exterior view of this house from the fire pit area as we walk back up, and I'll show you one more surprise that this house holds for us. Okay, we've come back in from the outside into the bar play game area, and you're gonna be like, why is there a garage door there? Well, check this out, guys. This is one of the ridiculous things that I found right here, but with the push of a button, this garage door is gonna open, and it's gonna open this whole game area up to this little outdoor oasis right here. You've got 2 swinging chairs from the ceiling. You've got a sitting area, and then you've got a beautiful hot tub that you can sit in and relax of the evening as you view off into the woods right here in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Just to give you one more view, we'll come back in from this outside through the garage door, and we can enter right here into the bar area. We've got a sitting area there, pool table, bar area, and the arcade that I showed you earlier. That concludes the tour of the Dancing Pines Airbnb right here in Blue Ridge Mountains. I appreciate y'all joining me today. I'll put all the links to this place so you can go and book it for yourself.